How to fix TikTok lock game problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok lock game problem on Android phone. First open settings and then go to TikTok, go to apps and then apps, and here you will find TikTok. Click on it and first click here for stop and go to data usage. Enable all of those here, Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then go to permissions and enable all of those here. And now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and go back here and click clear data. Click on it and click OK. Now just go and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.